Alright guys, here it is, the Mopar Towbar kit for the Jeep Wrangler jail. Let me try and do a few different shots of the Towbar itself, so you get a good view of how it looks. Don't mind the sound of the flying jets behind me. It's just beautiful. Love the sound. But here's the kit. So the kit comes with the Towbar hitch, receiver, and the bearing as well. It does come with the electrical connections as well, the Mopar one, for the brakes. So as you can see here, it's from Mopar, but certainly not fitted in the factory. It gets fitted at the showroom here in Australia. So it essentially has the max braked trailer. For 4-door, it's about 495 kgs. Max unbraked trailer is about 750 kgs. Max tow ball download is about 250 kgs there. The vendor did fix this for me, pretty much. I haven't towed anything yet, but I'm hoping I'm gonna do some towing catamarans very soon. Pretty decent, up to a 20-foot cat. And here's some shot from underneath the car, so you can see how the Towbar is essentially sort of fitted on the chassis. I guess that's a chassis, but it's pretty solid. As you can see, there are 4 bolts there that sort of go on. That's much clearer there. 4 bolts that bolt on, and then the hitch, sort of pretty solid steel there. It's pretty good. What does that say? It's the same thing what I just read out, but underneath. I hope that's sort of really given you a good sort of view of how the Towbar is and how it sort of fits onto the truck. Looks pretty solid, looks pretty nice. I will certainly try and do a video when I sort of get a trailer and sort of tow with it and tell you about the experiences. But I hope that's been useful to you. Any comments, let me know. If you need any more information, give me a comment and I'll sort of respond to you. I'll do some additional shots as well in the video, so you can actually see different angles and things like that. I hope that was useful. Give me a thumbs up, guys, and keep watching the channel. There'll be more stuff coming along. Thank you.